All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel today. Look at this. I've got the 111 NS, but there's a little bit of difference in this one, guys. So let's check it out. By the way, don't forget to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to check out Fablades.com if you want, and at Fablades on Instagram. So let's see what's going on there. And let's see what's going on here. So we got classic black Shiro box. This is the Russian certificate of authenticity, and you have also the certificate, the American one, which is attesting the 3-bear situation, the year, multi-row bearing system, carbon fiber, but especially M398. But there's also something else going on in this big boy right over here, guys. This is something special. There's 20 made of this one. And yeah, beside having this M398 steel, look at the stock thickness of this thing. This is the most slicing pocket sword you're gonna ever have. Look at that. Barely fits the frame. I feel European today because I am. And look at this. 11 centimeter for the blade. Actually, it's 11.1 centimeter. Guess why? 111. Eh? So we're not talking about 4.5 inches of cutting edge here. No, we're talking about 111 millimeters of sheer goodness in this pocket sword, and 14 centimeters for the handle, for an overall length of this beast of 25 centimeters. There you go. Look at this beauty right over here. 111 NS. Boys, check it out. Let's do a quick size comparison. I've got a Sebenza large, I've got a Nandi, just to show you like how are we doing right over here. I'm gonna show you a couple holds because I like holds. This is the Haptic, this is the Spectre. Probably a couple of my favorite knives right over there. And how can I not show you something like that, F3B, or something like Neon NL? Yeah, I mean, right? I have to, right? Yes. And lastly, but not least, I'm going to show you a couple of Canadian blades, a big boy and a smaller boy, Nirvana, large, and Augustus, Peter Rassenti, and Kirby Lambert in the house. But here in the house, we are really quick going on to a couple features of this beauty right over here. This is the 111 NS in a special configuration because this one is a show special M398 steel, crazy thin stock. So everything works the same, let's say, in the 111 NS, except for this stock thickness right over here. Beautiful cut out on the blade. The milling is on the carbon fiber is just something you wanna admire and enjoy. Nice grippiness. I mean, guys, like, this thing is like gorgeous. You can flick it with your thumb. You can do like with the middle finger. You can do with the index finger, like kind of like this. Of course, you're gonna flip it with the index. You can flip it like this. I mean, this is a fidget monster. It's a huge knife. It's gorgeous. It's there's no rivals in this segment, I feel, and this is so well made that it's incredible and really light. I mean, guys, let me check the weight and I'll give you in ounces this time. Look at that. So you're going to be happy. 4.34 ounces is unheard for like something this big. Carbon fiber scales with inset liner lock right over there, which has some skeletonization, multi-row bearings. Look at the flipper tab, for example. Look at the skeletonization going on the flipper tab. Of course, you get a cutout. And check it out, how it's done with this jimping, which is, by the way, not really functional. It's gorgeously aesthetically, but not that functioning. This right there, is this right here. To be able to do that, it's amazing. Clip, look at that. Clip works wonder. Titanium, hidden hardware. You get 2 screws to go through this hugely thin back spacer and screwing in on the Chicago screws on the other side. You get this M398 steel, which is a very underrated steel, by the way. It brings up the price, of course, of the knife, but yeah, I mean, it is what it is. So let's check it out, guys. 2.68 millimeter, which is 2.75, and look at this, 0.3 millimeters behind the edge of this gorgeous blades, guys. Truly a stunning one. It's a big one, I get it. Yeah, it's a huge knife, but it's an amazing one. If you look at this, you can do like push button, very easy. In fact, you have some jimping there in the push button position, and you have some jimping over there in the light switch operated deployment method, so you can choose. It's gonna work fantastically on both. You have a lanyard hole option integrated in the backspacer. I mean, guys, this thing is gorgeous. Look at the jimping here. I mean, it's why? Just because they can, because it's beautiful. Why not? I mean, the sound. I really hope you guys can appreciate this shawak, because this thing is a beast and it's gorgeous. So Guillaume, thanks for sending this bad boy, and I really, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.